Code P0014 refers to a problem with the exhaust camshaft position on bank 1, excessive timing advance or system performance. It's similar to the P0011 we discussed, but it focuses on the exhaust camshaft. This means the variable valve timing or VVT system isn't working properly, or the exhaust camshaft isn't in the position the computer expects. This VVT system adjusts the opening and closing of the valves to optimize performance and emissions. Symptoms include an illuminated check engine light, a noticeable decrease in engine power, rough idling, increased fuel consumption, and in some cases, a knocking or ticking sound coming from the engine. If P0014 appears, action is crucial. The first step is to check the engine oil level and quality. The VVT system relies on oil pressure, so dirty oil or a low level is a common cause. Next, inspect the exhaust camshaft oil control valve on bank 1. These valves can become clogged with oil sludge or fail electrically. Also, check the OCV wiring and connector for damage. In more complex situations, the problem could be the camshaft actuator itself or, in rare cases, a stretched timing chain. If left unattended, improper engine timing can lead to severe internal component wear, catalytic converter damage due to inefficient combustion, and, in the worst-case scenario, severe engine failure if the valves and pistons collide.